Hi guys, welcome to Jan's Journey. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to be sharing with you a palette that I finally got. But you know what? Can you believe this? I have not touched them. I have not gone through any of them. And last night, I saw that Jaclyn Hill shared a video just using one palette.
My vault collection, that's upside down, I'm the worst at this, called Dark Magic. And this has been one of the most requested videos for the past, I don't know how long it's been, ever since I announced it. So I'm going to be using these shades right here.
So I'm like, why not start using her palette, start using it, start playing with it. With a biggest challenge is creating a look with the colors that I normally stay away from. The palette is very pretty. I really love shades of green, I really do, but for some reason I tend to stay away from them. I really love warm and kind of neutral colors, and it's weird because I'm a very colorful person. I would love to have pop of color in my house or anything that I do, but when it comes to creating a makeup look, I kind of like staying away from green. So this was challenging, and I think it's time for us to show a lighter side of it and have fun and actually grab on to those people that truly inspire you and help you come out of your comfort zone. Beauty is an art, and why not create how you feel comfortable, but at the same time challenging yourself and coming out of the your comfort zone to create a look that maybe you thought you could never do or was afraid to. So this is why I'm actually doing this video, because I want to take advantage of the new palette which is basically this palette right here. And she kept grabbing colors that I was like, oh my god, that's gonna be too dark. And once I did it, it wasn't so dark, and I'm glad that I did this challenge. So in this video, you're gonna be seeing me following along, trying to follow along, because I don't have none of those professional makeup brushes. I don't have those professional techniques like she does. She's totally a pro. But I'm gonna try to follow along and see if that makeup look that she did just using one palette from her collection, The Vault, using Dark Magic, if it was a fail, a total fail, or if it was really I actually did pretty good. So I'm gonna just show you the video so you can see how I did.
See how it just like fattened up a little bit? And then as I bring it in, I'll kind of raise up my eyebrow and get it nice and tight in that inner corner. But I do want this color to be evenly pigmented, like from the outer corner to the inner corner. Like I don't want it to be darker on the outer, so I'm just going to like go ahead and just put it on that entire area and make sure that it is all. Hill palette, or like kind of like an orangey shade to really make this like but since I am just using the Dark Magic palette today, I'm not doing that because I'm not gonna like cheat when I say it's a Dark Magic tutorial and use something else. So that's why I'm going over this with a clean brush. Inner corner to outer corner. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Inside Job, which is a matte green. I'm going to moment right there that needs color. That's where I'm going to put Inside. In with a little bit of the shade Potion right here. Let me tap off the excess, and then just go right over top of what I just did once again, so that we have a nice gradient ombre. H40. I'm going to take a little bit more of that Potion, see that shimmer a little bit more than we just did a minute ago. If you're gonna go smoky, then go smoky. Like, let's just fear not and do the damn thing, you know?
To do this video to share it, so I really hope you enjoy it, and you can give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know, was it a fail or was it just okay? So I hope you really enjoy it. And what do you think about this palette? Do you like it so far, or is this just one that you're also staying away from like I am? So let me know, and until the next video, bye.